Osmo Action 5 Pro, Depth and Altitude. The camera is equipped with a professional pressure sensor that can detect the current driving depth or altitude. The recorded data can also be added to the video footage in a visualized form using the dashboard feature on the DJI Mimo app. Swipe down from the top of the screen to enter the control menu, and then select Depth and Altitude. Diving. For diving, when depth display is enabled, the camera will automatically display real-time depth data and the dive duration in the live view when it detects a water depth of 1 meter. With depth display enabled, you can set auto record and auto stop for quick capturing. When auto record is enabled, the camera will automatically start recording and log real-time depth data and dive duration when it detects a water depth of 1 meter. When you set the time for auto stop, the camera will automatically stop within the set time after it is above surface of the water. Hiking and parachuting. For hiking and parachuting, when altitude display is enabled, the camera will automatically display real-time altitude data in the live view. The altitude mode can be set as a relative altitude or absolute altitude. Relative altitude is selected by default. Relative altitude will be updated based on the difference between the altitude when the recording is started and the current altitude. When absolute altitude is selected, the pressure sensor in the camera will detect the current altitude. You can set the minimum altitude display to initiate display and adjust the style in which the altitude is shown in the live view depending on the display scenario. Absolute altitude can change a lot with the air pressure of the surroundings. You can use manual calibration to calibrate the altitude. Dashboard. Enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on the mobile device and then run the DJI Mimo app. Tap the camera icon on the home screen and then tap Connect on corresponding Osmo Action 5 Pro Wi-Fi name. After shooting, connect the camera to the DJI Mimo app and then select the video footage captured during sports. Tap on Dashboard in the menu. Select the corresponding sports scenario, and you can add depth or altitude data to the video. After adding data, the final edited video can be exported.